Hi, my name is Katia Oliveira and I represent the SME FAMOLDE.
Hi, my name is KRISTINA Pulejkova and I am the artist.
Hello, I'm Andrei Martin and I am the technical supplier.
Together our PT is SMARTVIEW, and in the past year we have been working to develop an interface that the main goal is to increase the cross-sector collaboration, productivity, sustainability and also the workers' well-being. Our project aims to create an application to convert shop floor data and simplify it into a tool that is easy to understand for the workers on the factory. Alongside this, the KT developed an interface inspired by nature and created by the artists that will bring closer the workers from the shop floor to the management teams.
Our main goal for this project was to bridge departmental gaps and increase factory performance. We've achieved this through our production monitoring system and the two apps that we selected, which are People Detection and Tracking System and the Superset Dashboard.
Inspired by FAMOLDE's immediate environments of the Leiria pine forest and the Atlantic Ocean, we created an interface of two looks, forest and ocean, that can be easily swapped at workers' preferences. SMARTVIEW enables workers to see every part being made in real time, showing parts progress as growing trees and coral. To add more connections to the immediate environment, a weather API is connected to the interface, using it to make subtle changes to its look and allowing workers to connect to the weather outside. We deployed a SMARTVIEW prototype at a touch screen on the factory shop floor in March 2024, allowing workers to test and feedback for further improvements. We will keep gathering data on its effects on worker well-being and the ease of access to manufactured data. The result is SMARTVIEW, which not only achieved social but also environmental and productivity targets, such as increasing human-machine communication by 25%, increasing communication between departments by 25%, and increasing well-being by 58%.
As a result of our system integration, the production lead time has decreased by 10%, the machine availability has increased by 15%, and the energy consumption has decreased by 5%.
These KPIs show that SMARTVIEW can make a real difference, increasing productivity and well-being and foster collaboration and teamwork. By providing access to the data from all the corners of the factory, it empowers the workers and also provides a more horizontal way of work. What we gained the most with Better Factory was a tool that not only provides well-being to the workers, but also the monitorization of key KPIs of the production of parts at FAMOLDE. We believe that the future holds great opportunities for this type of solutions, as we think that the human-machine interaction must be closer in order to have more agile process in the factory.
Better Factory and working with the KT has been a completely new experience for me. I found the iterative process of design and experimentation very useful, and it is something that I would like to implement in my work going forward. Another aspect I found exciting was working with real-time and big data. Making sense of large quantities of information and making it easy to read was a challenging yet rewarding experience.
This project has improved our skills as well as our product. We truly believe that the solution we've developed together with the artist and the SME will help future factories run more efficiently and improve the relationships between departments and also worker well-being.